Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever received cleaning advice that left you scratching your head, you're in the right place. Today I'm diving into 10 bad cleaning tips to avoid at all costs. Trust me, whether you're a busy mom or a seasoned cleaning pro, you're going to want to hear this. Make sure to stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get many more cleaning tips. Number 1, add Clorox to the dishwasher to kill germs when someone is sick. Whoa boy, we're starting with a doozy with this bad cleaning tip. You know in old movies when the bad guy would put a rag over the damsel in distress's face, causing her to pass out? Well, by mixing dishwashing tabs and chlorine bleach, you're making a massive batch of what was on the bad guy's hanky. Mixing dishwashing tabs with chlorine bleach can release toxic chloramine gas, which can cause nausea and respiratory issues. Instead, try soaking your dishes in a diluted bleach solution after the dishwasher has finished its cycle. Always remember, never mix bleach with any other cleaners. Number 2, using paper towels to clean TVs, smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices. While it may seem convenient, paper towels are made from wood, a rigid material. Over time, they can leave behind micro scratches on your screens, damaging the quality of your devices. So what should you use instead? The best options are microfiber or terry cloth. These materials are soft and gentle, making them perfect for cleaning surfaces without causing any harm. Number 3, feather dusting. They might look elegant and romantic for dusting those shelves, but the truth is that feather dusters often do more harm than good. Instead of removing dust, feather dusters scatter it all over your space. So instead of cleaning, you may spread dust to the sides of your shelves or even onto the floor. A much better option is using a microfiber cloth. Unlike feather dusters, microfiber cloths contain thousands of tiny fibers that act like fingers. They grab and hold the dust and lint, trapping them until you're ready to shake them free. This means you're not just moving the dust around, you're getting rid of it for good. Number 4, using toilet cleaner to clean anything other than a toilet. While toilet bowl cleaner is one of the strongest cleaners available to the public, it should never be your go-to for cleaning. The reason? It is one of the strongest cleaners available. Many think they can use toilet cleaner on shower stalls, sinks, or even floors. This can lead to costly damage. Not only can toilet cleaner ruin surfaces, but it can also produce harmful fumes when mixed with other cleaning products. Keep you and your family safe. Instead of using toilet cleaner for everything, opt for all-purpose cleaners or specific products designed for the surface you're cleaning. Always check the labels. Number 5, removing ink stains on clothes with hairspray. If you've ever dealt with a pesky ink mark, you know how frustrating it can be. Now, you might have heard the classic hairspray hack for ink stains. Back in the day, many hairsprays contained a high percentage of alcohol, which helped lift the stain. Most modern hairsprays are filled with sticky chemicals that trap the ink instead of removing it. Instead, use a clean sponge or cloth to gently dab the ink stain with rubbing alcohol. Be gentle, don't rub it vigorously as that might spread the stain. Blot and repeat. Continue to dab until the ink transfers to the sponge. If the stain is particularly stubborn, try soaking the clothing item in a tub of water mixed with liquid laundry detergent for at least 30 minutes. After washing, rinse and see if the stain has faded. Number 6, using fabric softener on towels. Who doesn't love fluffy, warm bath towels? It feels luxurious, right? Many people believe that using more fabric softener will make their clothes even softer. Fabric softeners actually leave a coating on the fibers of the fabric, making them more waterproof or water resistant. It's not exactly what you want for a towel that's supposed to absorb moisture. Instead of fabric softener, try using wool dryer balls. These little wonders not only fluff and soften your towels, but they also prevent them from sticking together in the dryer. Wool dryer balls improve air circulation, which helps your towels dry faster. Plus, they have natural anti-static properties, so you won't have to worry about static cling without using any fabric softener. Number 7. Clean your toilet with bleach. Pour liquid bleach in your toilet and you're in trouble. See what I did there? Many of us rely on bleach to get our toilets sparkling clean. But did you know that combining bleach with urine can create dangerous gas? Yes, you heard that right. When urine, which contains urea, breaks down into ammonia and mixes with bleach, it forms toxic chloramine vapors. Breathing in these fumes can lead to serious health issues such as burning eyes and chest pain. In high concentrations, it can even be life-threatening. It's crucial to understand these risks to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Number 8. Wet mopping hardwood floors. Are you the proud owner of hardwood floors? Hardwood floors are a blessing meant to last a lifetime. One sure way to shorten the lifespan of wood floors is by wet mopping with a sponge mop. Water and grit are worst enemies of a wooden floor. Water can cause discoloration and cupping or warping of the material. Liquids can seep between the boards, causing deeper damage and potentially leading to mold growth. Keep your lovely wood floors clean by performing frequent dry dust mopping, running a robot vacuum, and occasionally spot damp mopping as needed. Keep in mind you're actually cleaning the finish on the wood, not the wood itself. Use products intended for finished wood floors. Number 9. Cleaning windows with spray cleaners. For over 15 years, I battled to keep my windows clear and streak-free using pump spray products. Remember those runny cleaners filled with ammonia? Not only did they drip everywhere, but they also made the whole process a lot messier than it needed to be. Enter the game changer, foaming window cleaners. These products are designed to stay where you spray them, breaking down dust, dirt, and even bug residue without the usual mess. You won't believe the difference. Finally, number 10, washing clothes in hot water. If someone encouraged you to wash protein-soiled items with hot water for effective cleaning, you need to reconsider. Protein stains can originate from various sources, such as vomit, blood, or sweat. While it might seem like hot water would wash them out quicker, it can actually make things worse. Clothing and other fabrics soiled with vomit, blood, or other bodily fluids will permanently stain when washed in hot water. Always start with cold water. Rinse the stained item under cold running water. This not only helps flush out the stain, but prevents it from setting. Keep rinsing until the water runs clear. Once the protein stain is almost gone, it's time to apply a good laundry detergent designed for stain removal. Make sure to follow the product instructions for the best results. This will help to clean the rest of the fabric and ensure it smells fresh. So there you have it, 10 cleaning tips to avoid. By steering clear of these terrible bits of cleaning advice, not only will you keep your family safer, you're going to save money in the long run. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. God bless.